Welcome back, crypto fans. I'm Ronnie, your favorite green-skinned host here on the Pepe Ronnie channel. Today we're diving into Ink, Kraken's groundbreaking new blockchain that's making waves on the testnet. Stick around, because I'll guide you through every step to help you position yourself as an early adopter in this exciting phase. But before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and ring the bell for notifications. All right, let's dive into Ink. Imagine if a major crypto exchange decided to go full DeFi. No middlemen, no extra fees, just straight up crypto freedom. Well, that's exactly what Kraken is aiming for with Ink. Ink is Kraken's shiny new blockchain, designed specifically for decentralized finance, DeFi. We've seen Binance launch BNB, Coinbase roll out Base, and now Kraken with Ink. Ink is built on the Optimism Superchain and powered by the OP Stack. Being on the Optimism Superchain means Ink can connect seamlessly with other chains, creating a network where assets and transactions move faster and cheaper. And this partnership with Optimism, it's more than just a collaboration. Kraken, Optimism, and other key players in the Superchain ecosystem are showcasing the growing synergy within the crypto industry. As Ink continues to develop, it's positioned to have a huge impact on the world of centralized exchanges, Layer 2 technology, and DeFi adoption. Kraken is building a comprehensive DeFi ecosystem. The goal is to provide users seamless access to DeFi applications, tools, and services without unnecessary barriers. As we look ahead to Ink's official launch in early 2025, Kraken users will gain new opportunities for trading, lending, and borrowing assets in a secure and transparent environment. With its intuitive interface, Ink aims to accommodate both crypto newcomers and seasoned DeFi enthusiasts alike. This trend could inspire other exchanges to consider similar transitions, pushing the entire industry toward a more decentralized future. By launching Ink, Kraken is paving the way for a more transparent, accessible financial world, staying true to the ethos of decentralization. Now, let's talk money. Kraken has raised a massive $122.3 million from various funds and angel investors. This isn't just pocket change. It's a significant investment that's fueling innovations like Ink. With this financial backing, Kraken is well-positioned to develop and expand its DeFi offerings, bringing more features and improvements to users. On November 7th, Ink announced the launch of its public testnet. This is your chance to take the first step toward building the future of DeFi. While it's not confirmed if this testnet will be incentivized, the hype around it is absolutely worth your attention. Kraken, one of the biggest and most well-known exchanges backed by massive investments, is inviting users to explore its very own Layer 2 blockchain built on the Optimism OP Stack. Sounds exciting, right? I think it's definitely worth diving into. All right, let's jump into the testnet activities. But before we get started, I want to mention that all the important links you'll need are available on my Telegram channel. Be sure to join it to stay ahead of the curve and get the latest updates first. You can find the link in the description below or simply scan the QR code on the screen right now. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get started. Head over to the official Ink website and click the Connect button. Select your MetaMask wallet and confirm the signature requests. MetaMask will prompt you to switch your current network to the Ink Sepolia network. Click Approve and then Switch Network. You've successfully added the Ink Sepolia network to your MetaMask wallet. Next, navigate to the Builders menu and select Faucet. You'll be redirected to the official Ink Sepolia faucet. To get some test tokens for the Ink Sepolia network, copy your wallet address, paste it into the designated field, and click Request. A pop-up window will appear, offering a 2x bonus if you share a tweet. You can do this to get more test tokens, but I'll skip that for now. Complete the CAPTCHA and voila! You've successfully received your test tokens on the Ink Sepolia network. Now, head back to the Builders menu, select Bridge, and click on it. This will take you to the official Ink Bridge. Click the Connect button to connect your MetaMask wallet. Once connected, specify the amount you want to bridge. You'll be prompted to switch networks. Click Switch Network to change from the Ink Sepolia network to the Ethereum Sepolia network. Confirm the network switch in your MetaMask wallet. Unfortunately, this bridge currently only allows you to bridge tokens from Ethereum Sepolia to Ink Sepolia. It doesn't yet support bridging back from Ink Sepolia to Ethereum Sepolia. However, in this video, I'll show you additional bridges that will allow two-way bridging. I won't go into detail here about getting Ethereum Sepolia test tokens, but you can find links to free faucets on my Telegram channel. If free faucets seem tricky or unreliable, you can also try using the testnet bridge by Layer 0, along with some test tokens. This bridge addresses the challenge of acquiring testnet gas tokens. While this faucet isn't free, it's very affordable and helpful. Instead of dripping small amounts from free faucets, you can purchase a significant amount of Sepolia Ethereum tokens for only $1 or $2. For example, I will buy some test tokens using my Ethereum tokens on the Arbitrum network. For 0.005 Ethereum, which is the equivalent of $1.30, I can easily buy 7.66 test Ethereum tokens on Sepolia without the hassle of getting small amounts from free faucets. So, it's up to you. Now, let's move on to the next step. Alright, once your wallet is loaded with enough test tokens, it's time to start bridging. Specify the amount of tokens you want to bridge, but don't use all of them in one go. Divide your tokens into smaller amounts to make as many transactions as possible. This is key for maximizing your activity. Click the Bridge Funds button and confirm the transaction in your MetaMask wallet. Make it a habit to perform 10 to 15 bridges per day for consistent interaction. Alright, the next bridge we're going to explore is Alto Finance. Alto Finance is a decentralized cross-rollup bridge designed specifically for transferring local assets within the Ethereum network. Recently, it's successfully integrated with the Ink chain, making it a great choice for performing bridge transactions in the Ink Testnet. To get started, head to the official Alto Finance website. In the swap menu, find the Testnet tab and click on it. Next, select Ink Sepolia as the chain you want to bridge to. Specify the amount of test tokens you'd like to send and click the Send button. Once the transaction starts processing, click Bridge again in the processing window. To switch chains, click the small arrow icon. Specify the amount of test tokens you want to send back from Ink Sepolia to Ethereum Sepolia and click the Send button. MetaMask will prompt you to switch your current network to Ink Sepolia. Go ahead and switch the network, then confirm the transaction in your MetaMask wallet. One of the best things about Alto is how fast the transactions are. When bridging from Ink Sepolia to Ethereum Sepolia, the test tokens arrive in just a few minutes, making Alto one of the top performing bridges for the Ink Testnet. Be sure to use this bridge regularly to stay active. Another cool feature of Alto Finance is its built-in Ink faucet. Head over to the faucet menu and claim some Ink test tokens for free. It's an easy and convenient way to get extra tokens for your testnet activities. Great job! Let's move on to the next activity. Next, we'll use another bridge called the Gelato Bridge. As always, you can find all the necessary links on my Telegram channel. Head over to the official Gelato Bridge website and connect your wallet by clicking the Connect Wallet button. Specify the amount of test tokens you'd like to bridge, then click the Bridge Funds button. A pop-up window will appear. Click I understand, and then click Bridge Funds again to confirm the transaction in your MetaMask wallet. After completing the transaction, you can check your transaction history by clicking the History button. Now, let's bridge tokens back from Ink Sepolia to Ethereum Sepolia. To do this, click on the Withdraw tab. At the bottom of the window, click Switch to Ink Sepolia and confirm the network switch in your MetaMask wallet. Specify the amount of tokens you want to withdraw, then click the Withdraw Funds button. A pop-up window will notify you that the withdrawal process will take 7 days. Click I understand and then click Withdraw Funds again to confirm the transaction in MetaMask. Great, your withdrawal has been initiated. Make sure to return to this bridge after 7 days to prove and complete the withdrawal process. Regularly interacting with this bridge is important to maximize your testnet activity. Alright, let's move on to the next bridge. Alright, the next bridge might look familiar if you participated in the Unichain Testnet. We use this one extensively. If you haven't seen my video about Unichain, make sure to check it out. That testnet might also be worth completing. To get started, connect your MetaMask wallet by clicking the Connect Wallet button. Select Ink Sepolia as the network you want to bridge to, specify the amount of test tokens you'd like to transfer, and click the Review Transaction button. In the pop-up window, click I understand and then Confirm. Switch networks and confirm the transaction in your MetaMask wallet. Let's send some test tokens back from Ink Sepolia to Ethereum Sepolia. Click the small arrow icon to switch the direction of the transfer. Specify the amount of test tokens you want to send and click Review Transaction. A pop-up window will inform you that you'll need to manually complete 3 transactions, and one of them can only be claimed on Ethereum Sepolia after 7 days. Click I understand and confirm the transaction. Awesome! As with the previous bridges, make sure to perform transactions on this bridge regularly, and don't forget to return after 7 days to finalize the claim process. Consistency is key when it comes to testnets. Another exciting activity available right now is a brand new quest on Interact. By completing simple social tasks like following Ink's Twitter, joining the project's Discord, and performing the activities I covered earlier in this video, you can mint a special Ink NFT as a reward. Once you've completed all the tasks, click the Claim Now button. In the pop-up window, select your EVM-compatible wallet, click Confirm, and finalize the transaction in your MetaMask wallet. This NFT is completely free. You can easily claim it using your test tokens on the Ink network. Don't miss this chance to snag your Ink NFT and add it to your collection. Alright, the next activity isn't free, but it's definitely worth completing. Minting a special commemorative NFT on Zora. This NFT represents a significant achievement for the Superchain and Ink, and it could be a potential multiplier for future rewards. You might benefit from 3 projects at once: Ink, the Superchain, and Zora. The best part? It only costs 50 cents. Make sure to grab this NFT and keep it in your wallet. Who knows? It could turn into a valuable addition to your crypto portfolio in the future. Alright, the next activity is for the real hustlers out there. Don't worry, it's not as difficult as it might seem at first glance. While these types of activities are typically for builders and people with coding experience, with this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process step by step so you can complete it successfully. If we take a look at the official Ink documentation, especially the tutorial section, we can see that Ink recommends deploying a smart contract on the Ink network using various contract deployment tools. You can explore these tutorials and try deploying contracts using different platforms. But in this video, we'll focus on deploying a smart contract using the Remix platform. Remix is a powerful open source tool for writing, compiling, deploying, and debugging Solidity smart contracts. It's especially great for beginners since it requires no setup and runs directly in your browser. Head over to the official Remix website. Before you do anything, ensure that your MetaMask wallet is set to the Ink Sepolia network. This step is crucial as deploying the contract requires you to be on the correct network. In the Workspace Explorer on the left sidebar, click the +create blank icon to create a new workspace. In the pop-up window, give your workspace a name. For this example, I'll call mine Ink Testnet. Next, click on the small file icon in the sidebar to create a new file. Name the file inkcontract.sol. This will be your smart contract file. Now, copy the smart contract code provided in the Ink documentation tutorial and paste it into the empty editor window on the right side. Make sure the code is copied correctly. Any small mistake can cause issues during deployment. Next, click on the Solidity Compiler tab in the left sidebar. It's the icon that looks like an S. Select the compiler version that matches the one shown on the screen, then click Compile inkcontract.sol. Wait for the green checkmark to appear. This indicates successful compilation. Great job. Now click on the Deploy and Run, the one that looks like the Ethereum logo. In the Environment dropdown, select Injected Provider MetaMask. You should now see the orange Deploy button appear. Before proceeding, double-check that your MetaMask wallet is connected to the Ink Sepolia network. This step is essential to ensure the deployment works smoothly. If everything is set, go ahead and click the orange Deploy button and confirm the transaction in your MetaMask wallet. Fantastic. You've successfully deployed your smart contract. Well done. Let's move on to the next step. Don't rush to close the contract deployment page. You'll need it for the next activity. The next interaction is to join Ink's official Discord server. You can find all the links on my Telegram channel. Once you're in the server, you'll need to pass the verification process. Don't worry, it's straightforward and intuitive, so you shouldn't have any trouble. After getting verified, navigate to the Pick Your Roles thread and select all the roles provided. This step ensures you gain full access to the server features and participate in all the relevant activities. One of the most important steps here is leaving your feedback in the feedback thread. Make sure to follow the format used by other users to ensure your submission is clear and accepted. My address. Paste your MetaMask wallet address. Contract. Add the contract address of the smart contract you deployed on Remix. To find it, head back to the Remix platform, locate the Deployed Contracts menu, and copy the contract address. Paste this into the Discord thread under Contract. Transaction hash. For this, you'll need the transaction details of your deployed contract. Go to the Ink Block Scout Explorer website and paste your contract address into the search bar. Block Scout will display all the details of your deployed contract. Copy the transaction hash and paste it into the transaction hash section of your feedback in Discord. Double check that all the fields are filled correctly, then send your feedback in the thread. Awesome! You've successfully completed this interaction. Now you're ready to move on to the next step. The next step is to join Ink's Guild. As always, you can find all the necessary links on my Telegram channel. Head over to the official Ink's Guild website and click the green Join Guild button. In the pop-up window, click on Check Access to Join. The Guild will verify that you meet all the requirements and, based on your eligibility, grant you specific roles and rewards. Since we've completed all the Guild's requirements, including minting and holding the special celebratory Superchain NFT, we've earned the exclusive OG role. Congratulations. Next, return to Ink's Discord server and navigate to the GM thread. Simply send a quick GM message to engage with the community. Once done, click on your profile in Discord to view all the roles you've been granted, including the special OG role. Well done. That wraps up all the activities for today. To stay ahead, make sure to follow Ink's official social channels like Discord and Twitter. Ink's Twitter currently has just over 34,000 followers, which means the project is still in its early stages. This is the perfect time to get involved as the project grows. With exciting collaborations and partnerships with well-known projects on the horizon, staying updated is key. Make it a habit to check Ink's socials regularly so you don't miss any new opportunities or announcements. Alright, that's it for today's Ink Testnet activities. Remember, Ink is still in its early stages, so it's crucial to position yourself among the first adopters. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest testnets, crypto projects, and insider tips. Stay curious, stay involved, and I'll see you in the next one.